What's the meaning of angelfish? Angelfish. 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 Angelfish.
Angelfish is a type of freshwater fish characterized by their triangular shape, flat bodies, and long dorsal and anal fins. They are usually found in slow-moving or still waters in South America, Africa, and Asia. The name angelfish comes from their physical appearance, as they are named for their resemblance to the mythical creature with wings, known as an angel. These fish are popular in aquariums due to their graceful swimming and striking colors, which can vary from silver and gold to black and white stripes.